Welcome to the Pwani University Students Media, and today is the 2025 Cultural Edition, and I have the Kamba community. You can start by introducing yourself.
Hello, I'm Diana Chalo, the treasurer of the Kampa community.
Hello and everyone. My name is Nelson Mandela, the Kamba Community Organizing Secretary.
Could you please tell us one thing that you adore about the Kamba culture?
First of all, we are very happy for having this day. We are also proud of being among the Kamba community. One thing we like about our community is the love, the unity, and everything about our culture. The food that they ate, we still uphold our culture and we really like it. And we appreciate our grandparents for that. Thank you.
Thank you. We as Kamba community, we're always proud of ourselves as the whole country knows us about our plantations of mango. We also have mangoes in our plantation. We also have bread mongokoi, which also is our background food that we have always been prepared. We have also prepared the fermented porridge for the guests and the visitors who have come. We have many of things, and also what I can say, Kamba culture is a continuous assessment and it will be there and it won't die. Thank you.
Thank you for your time, and I wish you all the best.